Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi's visit to India. Sheikh Khalid bin Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi, is on a 2-day visit to India to strengthen bilateral ties. Focus areas of the visit include energy, connectivity, and business cooperation amidst rising tensions in West Asia. Union Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal welcomed the Crown Prince at the airport, reflecting the importance of the visit. The Crown Prince visit aims to enhance strategic partnership with meetings planned with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now let's talk about key points of the visit. The Crown Prince is accompanied by several UAE ministers and a business delegation. A business forum in Mumbai is scheduled with participation from top business leaders from India and the UAE. Discussions will include collaborations in emerging sectors like energy, connectivity, and digital infrastructure. Defense cooperation will also hold center stage as defense cooperation between India and the UAE has been growing, with the first bilateral army exercise, Desert Cyclone, held in January 2024. Now let's talk about significant milestones in India-UAE relations. The comprehensive strategic partnership between India and the UAE has been strengthened since 2015. A comprehensive economic partnership agreement was signed in 2022 and the local currency settlement system was established in 2023. UAE became a BRICS member with India's support in 2024 and joined the Shanghai Cooperation Organization as a dialogue partner in 2023. The India-UAE-France trilateral was formally launched in February 2023, enhancing cooperation in defense and trade. Practice question. When was the first India-UAE bilateral army exercise Desert Cyclone held? January 2024, February 2023, March 2022 or April 2021? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.